In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Beehiiv subscriber sync error step by step, so you can get your subscribers syncing properly again without wasting time guessing what went wrong. This is especially helpful if your integration suddenly stopped updating, new subscribers are not appearing, or your fields are not matching the way they should. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, log in to your Beehiiv account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the Settings area. This is where Beehiiv keeps the controls for your account connections and integrations, so it's the best place to start when a sync issue appears. Click on Settings, and then open Integrations. Inside the Integration section, you'll see the connected services linked to your Beehiiv account. Now check the integration that is supposed to be syncing your subscribers. Make sure it is actually connected and not showing any warning signs, missing access, or broken connection messages. Sometimes, the issue is as simple as the integration disconnecting in the background. If the connection looks inactive or uncertain, verify that the integration is still connected. If it is not, reconnect it right away. A fresh reconnection often solves sync errors because it reestablishes the authorization between Beehiiv and the external tool or platform you are using. Follow the prompts carefully and complete the connection again. Next, confirm that your API keys are valid. If your setup depends on an API key, an expired, revoked, or incorrect key can stop subscriber data from syncing properly. Double-check the key you entered, make sure there are no extra spaces or copy errors, and confirm that the key is still active in the source platform. After that, check the integration permissions. Even if the integration is technically connected, it may not have the right permissions to read or write subscriber data. Look for any permission settings related to subscriber access, list access, or data syncing, and make sure the integration has everything it needs to operate correctly. Now move on to subscriber field mapping. This part is very important because a sync can fail or behave incorrectly if Beehiiv is trying to place data into the wrong fields. Verify that subscriber fields are mapped correctly between Beehiiv and the connected app. For example, first name should go to first name, email should go to email, and any custom fields should match the correct destination fields. Even a small mapping mistake can cause the sync to break or create messy data. Once that is checked, look for duplicate subscriber records. Duplicate entries can confuse the sync process, especially if the same email address exists more than once or if the same subscriber is being pushed from multiple sources. Review your records and clean up any duplicates that may be causing conflicts in the background. Finally, review your sync settings. Make sure the sync is set up the way you want it, whether that means one-way syncing, two-way syncing, or syncing only certain subscriber actions. Confirm the correct source, the correct destination, and the right timing or trigger settings. A sync error can happen simply because one small setting is misconfigured. After going through all of these steps, test the integration again by adding a sample subscriber or refreshing the sync. In many cases, once the connection is restored, permissions are fixed, fields are mapped correctly, and duplicate records are handled, the error disappears, and everything starts working normally again. And that is how you fix a Beehiiv subscriber sync error. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe for more helpful tech guides, and leave a comment if you want more Beehiiv troubleshooting videos in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.